Hello everyone, this is Roger from airtanksplus.com. Today I'd like to talk to you about a new product we're excited to add to our website. It's called the Side Shot Scope Mount. And this is a camera mount system for your scope. So it actually works with different scopes, different diameter scopes, and it allows you to use your smartphone to record video. So you can see as I slide it in, my camera can actually see the video right through the scope. That's the reticle and everything. So this works with different phones, Galaxy phones, iPhones. They even make a GoPro version where you can use a GoPro camera on here. And that's it. When you want to take it off the gun, it's pretty easy. A couple of slides so you undo this. And this actually comes off the gun. So you can put it in your rifle case. And you can buy different mounting adapters for your different guns and different size scopes. So this is a side shot scope system. And I'm going to be showing you some slow motion video that I shot today for your entertainment. And I shot this at 38 yards with a, this is an Air Arms S410. It's been heavily modified so it doesn't look like a standard Air Arms because it's got a regulated 3600 psi bottle that we put on it. We did that in-house, and we're shooting 22 caliber JSB pellets. If you have any questions on air guns, you can visit us online. Or if you're interested in ordering one of the side shot scope mounts, just visit us online at airtanksplus.com. Any questions, you can just call us at 916-800-1398. And you have a great day. Thanks for watching.